Hello friends, I am Sagar and today I am going to share with you how to run two applications together on the Android device. So actually nowadays many of the phones have this inbuilt feature the feature is called as the split screen, right? So you can run the two applications simultaneously on the single display. You are suppose you want to watch video on the YouTube, and the same time you are just want to surf on the Flipkart or the Amazon. So we can do that using the split screen feature. So I will just show you the demo for that. Suppose this is in my phone currently. You can see that this is the YouTube and other application in Amazon. So I just want to run two application together. So in this split screen, if this is my YouTube, so if I will click here, you will see the option split screen. So I will click on split screen, and here you can see that the I need to select the other application. So I will select Amazon. So you can see that two applications is running together. If I will run the YouTube video, it will run. This is Amazon. So on the same screen, you can see the two applications together. So just so this is what I just want to share with you. And this is the split screen feature. Use it wisely and just stay tuned with our channel. And thanks for watching. Thank you.